Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath 7fx YouTube channel, and this is Poco F5 or the Redmi Note 12 Turbo custom ROM reviews. This is most requested ROM for Poco F5 in my channel. This is Derpfest OS version 14 here. Android version is also 14 and official stable for Marble 2024 324. I mean the March 24 is the build date and February 5th 2024 is the security patch what we can get in this particular ROM. Kernel user is 5.10.211. No 920 Narzil kernel has been used. Sync status is enforced. This is typical home screen what we can get. These are the quick settings toggles what we can get here, as you can see, and the sync option is there here. Dolby audio is there, not a Dolby Atmos here. And you get here power button, long power button. You get plenty of options here. You can actually take the screenshot, panic trigger, restart, system UV, power off, lockdown and emergency options are given here in the internet. If you press and hold here, it is going to this one. If you need to just touch, there is even mobile data connection also available. I will be showing speed test there. And coming to home screen here, you get typical app drawer and home screen. If I go into widgets here, you get plenty of widgets. Again, these are Android 14 based, guys. You can select the watch from here. That's how you can keep the widgets on the home screen. If I press and hold here, home settings, with that it restart. Anyhow, you get these options here: hot seat, background opacity, and you guys can check out some of the options here. Icon pack, again it's default. If you can install third-party application, you can actually select them. Force monochrome icons are given. Use themed icons in app drawer. Once you enable there, it will be available here also. There are some options indeed here, and wallpapers and style, again lock screen customization. This is the only visual change. Once you come from Android 13, you can see on the Android 14 that's present. You can actually customize them, like color. You can select the color of it, and size also. If you want to make smaller or dynamic, you can do that from here. And shortcuts, you get some options here. And into the home screen, again change wallpaper. You get some Derpfest wallpapers pre-installed. Other than that, nothing has been there here. It's quite simple. And you get that UI style again. As you can see, there are some options here. App grid, again you get up to 5:7. Icon size, font, shape, everything you can change. Fonts, there are plenty. Once you flash ROM, you can check out here. Themed icons has been given. This is home settings, and these are the app drawer and apps what I'm using here. Into apps, let's try first the MIUI camera. I mean the ANX camera here. You get a proper HyperOS camera, guys. This is the latest version of camera. You can see all the options are available here. In the video mode, you only get 4K 30, no 60fps option here. That you need to keep in mind. And in the more options, you get this. No Leica integration here whatsoever. In the photo mode also, as you can see, it's an HyperOS camera, simple MIUI or a hyper camera. Nothing like a Leica integrated or anything here. Apart from that, you get this Dolby audio. You get kind of a Moto Dolby audio support like that. Saved audio settings in the about version you can check out, and you have 3 presets here. Smart audio. If I go into music, there are some options actually. You can customize them. Vocal boost, bass boost, brilliant treble. You can adjust them. Film, 3 options, but it's not kind of a Dolby Atmos, but you will get some feeling once you use that. And files manager is there. Gallery is also pre-installed here. We'll be showing some screenshot later. And this is how the folders, and also you get this gramophone here. You get albums, artists, genres. If you use offline musics, you can select them, but I don't think so anyone using that in this particular era. Anyhow, dialer, you get this kind of dialer here. You get direct video call support also. Let me increase a little bit of volume. This is the volume panel what we can get. Direct video call feature is available, and you can also call record them, but it will announce the other person that you're recording call. But there is a solution for that. They have installed this basic call recording. As you can see, once you turn this on, it will be automatically recorded the calls, but it will not announce the other person that you are recording the call, which is quite a good thing. And output folder, you get some options here. compared to previous version. You can select them out. Those are the apps and app settings what we can get. Let's see the results only. Yeah, starting with the Geekbench score, I'm using the version 6.2.2. You can see 1659 is the single score and 4395 is the multi score what I got. Links 5.10211, number 912 Narzil, Android version is 14 here. Anti-2 benchmark results again version 10.2.3 I'm using. 11,32,463 is the score what I got, and 3.4 degrees Celsius is the temperature raised, and 5% of battery has been dropped during the center testing on this Poco F5 guys. And this is a read-rate speed test with graphical interpolation, and this is with numericals. And you can see CTS profile test getting past both basic integrity and all. This is wide 1 level 1 certification. Dolby Vision support is there here, level 1 certified. This is internet test with Wi-Fi guys, and this is with 5G. I am getting these kind of speeds. It depends upon your network provider and location. And charging rapidly support is there here. You can use 67 watt fast charging support is available. As you can see, around 743 it was 82, 749 it was 90 to 6 minutes 10% here. For me it might differ again for plenty of the user. Now regarding settings panel, we'll close this one anyhow. Yeah, regarding settings we get simple here, but there are some customization too. We'll start with the actual settings here. Here you get keyboard controls and navigation mode again into gesture navigation. If you completely hide that gesture bar, you can do that. Hide keyboard navigation bar, that's also available here. And custom gestures options are also given. If you want to use that, you can do that. That's cool here. And buttons option, there are some enabled. Taskbar, invert layout, power menu, again advanced restart button. If you want, you can add them. Now if I try to restart, yeah, there is a advanced restart button. As you can see, you can directly boot into recovery using that. And there are some options here. Click to partial screenshot, and there is a official update here, but I recommend to flash through. Recovery flashing method is in the description. Check out. And what is the firmware use? That is the latest HyperOS firmware what they have recommended. And reset options, other options, you get some options here. Battery stats you get here. We'll come back here. These are the extra options you get underneath the system settings. Location, again, use assistant, GPS, use location, everything is working fine. Google Maps is working fine, no need to worry regarding that. Security and privacy, you get both fingerprint unlock and face unlock, and there is a app lock also, no need to worry regarding that. Let me show you the fingerprint unlock first, and followed by face unlock. As you can see, face unlock is also very much fast to unlock your smartphone using that. I really like the speed and accuracy in this particular ROM. Let's continue. And coming back here again, accessibility settings, you get plenty of options here. Display size and text, you can actually increase or decrease, and some options are given. My personal favorite is this accessibility menu. Without actually using the physical buttons, you can actually turn up and turn down the volume, and even without sliding this one notification toggle, you can actually utilize this brightness toggles. It's an handy feature. You should definitely try it on this kind of ROMs for Poco F5. Vibration and haptics, again you get some options here. And audio description, flash notifications, other things, audio adjustment, if the left and right, I mean the stereo speakers adjustment. If you want to make high volume towards this above speaker, you can revert to left side. If you want good volume from down speaker, you can play around that and make it completely stereo effect from here. If you don't want stereo effect, just turn this mono audio. That's completely your wish guys. And headphone jack quality is fine in this particular ROM, no need to worry. And call quality, everything is fine in this particular ROM. Wallpapers and style, I already explained this. In the display options, you get plenty of options again. Override force dark is the one. Once I applied the dark theme, the UI is really smooth whatsoever. It's really good. And navigation mode, again it revert back to these settings. Night light feature is there. Colors options, you get some options here. Minimum peak refresh rate kept to 120, minimum 60 here. Tap to wake and tap to sleep is there here. This is the display settings. Sound and vibration, again everything remains similar. You get vibration patterns. Some direct sound settings are also given here. Enable hi-fi system is also given, which will make some impact to your audio experience while you are listening to music. And here comes battery settings guys, thermal profiles. You get some options to choose them. Battery usage hasn't recorded, but trust me guys, the battery life is really good in this particular ROM, even better than superior OS and the latest lineage OS 14. This one is much better in terms of battery life. Once you flash this ROM, you'll come to understand why I'm saying this. Charging control, again you get these options, 3 options, you can customize them. Battery optimization is given, individually you can select them. Block sensors, if you enable that, you will get some options for individual app. Battery information, you can check out your cycle count, design capacity, voltage, health, and everything you can check out. Now moving into Derpfest, here you can see some customizations are available. We'll start from reverse search system. Pulse settings, you get navigation pulse, lock screen pulse, ambient pulse, and if you turn this on, you will get some more options here, as you can see. And regarding customization, you get plenty here. It is very similar to what you can see in any of the USB ROMs. You get some customization in terms of theming. And general settings, unlimited photo storage is given. Ignore Windows secure flags and these spoofings are given, but unlimited high FPS count is not required because Poco F5 directly will get 90 FPS support. Lock screen UI, again you get plenty of options here. Media cover art, if you enable that. Blur level also you can change. Charging animation, if you want or disable, you can do that. Ambient display, always on display. Edge lighting options are also given, you can select here from options. Battery bar when charging is also available here. My dog is making a little bit of noise, sorry for that. Anyhow, lock screen UI, again you get plenty of customization as I said before. And regarding reticker, you get these options here. And quick settings toggles, again you get tile layout from here. Custom header image also you get. Some of the options you can check out once you flash this ROM. And in the main settings, you get battery settings, only 3. Minimal here, not that huge customization you can expect from here. You can check out traffic indicators are given. Carrier label, again position them. And miscellaneous settings, you get logo here, as is kept Derpfest logo already. And Bluetooth, other things you can check out. Colored icon, these are the underneath Derpfest space customizations guys, what we can get in this particular ROM. The UI is really smooth and responsive. The vibration, haptic feedback strength is fine, everything is working fine. Let me disable this. Yeah, location I have turned off. Anyhow, let's see BGMI, what are the graphics settings we get and how it handle in this Derpfest OS. And regarding graphics settings, as I said, you get maximum 90 fps support, you get in smooth. And we'll see how it actually handles here. And experience, it was really good. I already used this ROM a couple of hours back. I need to turn this controls and enable peak settings. Yeah, finally got that. Someone is offline there. Yeah, currently it is fine. These are the quick settings toggles. And anyhow, I will come back here. It makes too much noise here. This is the volume panel what we can get. I will come back here. That's the gaming experience. It was good. Don't judge my gameplay or anything like that. Just see how it actually handles. You get some idea here. I'm not saying it completely give you the entire ROM details here. It was already a lengthy video. If you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button guys. And if you're still not joined the WhatsApp group for Poco F5, you can join that. All the links are in the description. If you want to follow me on the social media like Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, WhatsApp channel, you can follow them. Those links are given in my channel community section also. Check out description. And regarding this ROM, conclusion is this is very good OS as of now for Poco F5 guys. Even it's in some areas it's better than superior OS, but you can select this as an option. If you don't like superior OS, you can definitely flash this ROM. or if you want to use this kind of quick settings toggles, you can definitely switch to this ROM, guys. This is my conclusion. It's a very good ROM, very much capable to handle all your tasks including gaming. We'll meet you with another interesting video, guys. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.